Parrot's pirate treasure hunt. In the vibrant Amazon rainforest, a talkative parrot named Paco stumbled upon an old map hinting at hidden pirate treasure. Eager for adventure, Paco teamed up with a curious capybara named Carla and a playful jaguar cub named JV. Their quest took them through the dense undergrowth, across raging rivers, and into hidden caves. They deciphered pirate codes and outwitted rival treasure hunters. In the end, they found a treasure chest filled with gold and jewels, but the true treasure was a bond they formed and the thrilling experience they shared. Paco's adventure became a legendary tale, inspiring others to seek their own adventures.